How to buy hosting from Hostinger. So first of all, not only Hostinger is very reliable, but also it is very cheap and fast as well. So let's start by tapping on hosting on the top right and then go for web hosting. Then you need to scroll down until you see these web hosting plans, and we have these four plans that we can continue with. But the best one that I recommend to go with is the business one, because if I scroll down, we have the free domain which is $9 value. So let's tap on the add to cart button and then you will be taken to another page where you have to start by selecting the period of your web hosting plan. So as you can see, by default it is selected 48 month. So let's say you don't want to go with that longer plan. You can select one of these 12-month or 24 months as well, and the total that you will save is on the top in the save section on each of these plans. Now scroll down until you see create your account. You need to enter your email address and password, or you can continue with Google or Facebook as well. Then you need to scroll down to go with this select a payment. Select any payment that you are suitable with. Once you do so, you just need to scroll down, and if you have a coupon code, you can also put it right in here. Then tap on submit and secure payment. After that, you just need to tap on Hostinger on the top left corner and you will be taken to their main dashboard. So hope this helped. This is how you can buy hosting from Hostinger.